Summer is the time when we crave for a lot of fruit juices, milkshakes, and eat a lot of ice creams. But there are few traditional drinks which, when consumed regularly, can keep our body hydrated and healthy. Today, we bring you three healthy summer drink recipes. Hey everyone, this is Shraddha, and welcome to Ambika Shetty's Kitchen. So for the first recipe, we're going to take 1/3 cup of barley in a bowl and we're going to add water that's enough to soak the barley. We need to soak this barley for about 4 to 5 hours. So this is how the soaked barley will look like. And now we need to transfer it into a pressure cooker and need to add about 4 to 5 cups of water. We need to pressure cook this on high flame for at least 4 to 5 whistles. So you can see that the barley is now cooked well. And to prepare the drink, we need only the barley stock. So transfer it into a vessel. Add salt to taste, stir well, and drink it. And if that sounds boring, then let's give it a tasty twist. Pour the prepared barley water into serving glasses, and there are two ways to spice it up. One way is to mix buttermilk with the barley water, and the other option is to add little lime juice and honey to make it slightly sweet and tangy. Choose whichever suits you best. Two flavors of barley drink are ready. So before we begin with the rest two recipes, we have to take one green chili and half an inch of ginger and need to crush them together to a coarse paste. We will keep this paste aside and we are going to use it for the remaining two drinks. Now for the second drink, take 2 tablespoons of ragi flour in a cup and add about half a cup of water to it. Mix well and remove the lumps. Next, in a sauce pot, take about 1 1/2 glass of water, which is about 300 ml, and add half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of chili ginger paste to the water. Stir well and allow the water to boil. When it starts to boil, add ragi flour mix and stir well. After stirring well, boil for 5 more minutes on low flame. Now turn off the flame and allow the malt to cool slightly. And just before serving or drinking, add half a glass, that is 100 ml of buttermilk to it. Stir well and also add 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated carrot. Healthy ragi malt, or what we call as ragi ambli in Karnataka, is ready to drink. Serve it in glasses and enjoy. Cheers! So in a similar way, we prepare the third drink, but this time we will have to take 2 tablespoons of jar flour and add about half a cup of water to it. Mix it well and remove if there are any lumps in it. Boil about 1 glass of water in a sauce pot by adding half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of chili ginger paste to it. Stir well. Once it starts to boil, add java flour mix and boil for 5 more minutes on low flame. So after it has been boiled, turn off the flame. Allow the malt to cool slightly and add about 1 glass of buttermilk to it. Stir well again. So after stirring well, add about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped raw onion and a few chopped coriander leaves to it. The crunchy bites of raw onion and jawar malt taste really good. There we go, ready with jawar flour malt. Let's garnish it with grated carrot. Here we are grating carrot over it. And there, cheers again. And hey, do not end the recipe here so soon. Here's a bonus recipe for you. This is a cooked barley and we're going to add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of curd to it. It's thick curd, and we are going to add about a pinch of salt with quarter teaspoon of prepared chili ginger paste. Give it a good mix. This is almost like sabudana mosranna, which means sabudana curd rice, just with cooked barley. We are going to prepare a tadka, and for it heat a teaspoon of oil and add about 1 or 2 pieces of broken dry red chili, few curry leaves, half a teaspoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of peanuts and 4 to 5 cashew nuts. Fry them until crisp and brown and add to the curd barley mix. Give it a good mix and our healthy curd barley is ready. A healthy option for breakfast or dinner. So, did you like this simple and traditional summer drinks and curd barley recipe? We will be back with yet another interesting recipe, and until then, take care. Bye.